Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up crypto on PayPal. First, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified and active. You will need to link a bank account or debit card to fund your purchases. This verification step is crucial for accessing all cryptocurrency features within the app, making sure you are ready to begin trading. Once your account is set up, open the PayPal app and find the crypto section. Here, you can browse the available cryptocurrencies. Choose the one you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then enter the dollar amount you wish to purchase. Review your order before confirming the transaction. After buying, your cryptocurrency holdings will appear in your PayPal balance. You can easily view their current market value and track performance directly within the app. If you decide to sell, simply select your crypto, choose the amount, and confirm the sale to convert it back to traditional currency. It's important to know that PayPal currently supports a select few cryptocurrencies. Also, you cannot transfer crypto out of your PayPal account to an external wallet. Be mindful of transaction fees, which are clearly displayed before you complete any purchase or sale, ensuring transparency in your crypto activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.